Okay, I have this Manfrotto MKC3-H02 tripod, and it has the quick release adapter. It doesn't have a 1/4-inch screw mount, so I had to print out my own quick release adapter because the release is not available for the GoPro 8 yet. So the bottom part of this mount or of this release is available on Thingiverse, and I just remixed the file and added the top part. So now you can also just print the bottom part and use the mount that comes in the box. So this is initially what I did. I just glue this top part to the bottom part, but of course you need a 3D printer to print the bottom part. Kind of hard to do it with one hand, so yeah. So this is how it looks. And I'm gonna put the file on Thingiverse. So I left the top part of the clasp here square, so I don't have to do too much work in the software to make it rounded. Actually, when you mount this piece here onto your tripod, you can use a swivel head to tilt the camera up or down, so this being flat will be okay. So now I can mount the GoPro on the tripod without too much of a hassle. All right, thanks for watching.